Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna do a very quick unboxing video today because I just got this from DHL. So I got this bag from 21K collection Chanel bag, as you can see. Okay, so lately I just feel like that I've lost the hustle of hunting for their bags because the price increasing, and I think in general their bags are just very pricey. And when it comes to other priorities, of course you're going to put it on hold, and you will always come back to later. So well, without further ado, let's jump into this. So I just cut this open for a little bit so that I can it's easy for me. Well, this one, by the way, I didn't buy this from it. Like I said, it's from the 21K collection, so it was like 2 years ago. Okay, I'm back now with scissors. So yeah, basically I just want to have a quick chat on this bag. This bag, actually the price is $7,050 Australian, which is cheaper than like 2 years ago. Personally, I just think, the secondhand market, the price is not so good at the point in time. So if you really want to sell something on the secondhand market, just be mindful, because you need to set up because of the pricing. All right, you can't just what I'm saying is the pricing is very important right now, because there's a ton of Chanel bags on the secondhand market. Okay, you name it, and the price, to be honest, is not as crazy as it was back in 2020, 2021, or even 2022. So yeah, actually I've lost some money, which is normal. I've lost some money by selling my Chanel Coco handle and my Kelly bag. So I will definitely make another video about these bags I've sold recently, just simply because I don't think they work for me anymore. Now this is massive. Okay, actually there's a small gift here. Well, let's do this, because let me tell you something. So this one is an iridescent bag, because there was a time I was so obsessed with this kind of iridescent bag, but I couldn't find anything that was under $8,000 Australian. And now I think it's about the time for me to buy this, because this collection, so this is the store, this collection has been in the past for a really long time. Well, let's see. That's the bag. And of course, this is the first time that I bought something from this store. So I will definitely get this double checked. I meant authenticated again, because I have absolutely no experience in Chanel iridescent bags, but I just think they're just so beautiful. Look at this. Wow, I love pink bags. I love this color, but personally, to be honest, yeah, let me turn. Yeah, this one is under the natural light here. So, and if I turn on the artificial light, yeah, it looks like this. Okay, it's pink. It's really saturated, and as you can see, it's a very small bag, because in my collection I've never had a mini rectangular before. I did have a mini square before with pearl. However, that bag was, the pearl was really heavy, even though I could adjust the length of my strap. So let's see, anything else. Seems to be fine, but I still need to double check. Maybe I will just go to one of those websites to get this authenticated, because Yeah, and personally, I love this color, so I can ignore the fact that the hardware is not gold hardware, which is my favorite. Instead, it's silver hardware. Okay, so yeah, I'm not a big fan of silver hardware because just most of the time, it will just give me like some austere vibe, which I don't like. Let's see what's inside now. I think it's really good to record your unboxing process just in case there's something is gonna go wrong. Yeah, the inside is in pristine condition, and yeah, obviously this microchip is here. Another pocket. Well, this is super cute. Well, I guess I just need to like turn off this for a little bit so you can have an entire look on this bag. So I definitely am not gonna buy more classic flaps due to the price, even though I can get some of them at very good prices on a secondhand market still. I just don't think I can I can drop another 10k or 12k on a classic flap. So one is aged calfskin. So yeah, nothing major. It's kind of like, I think this one is very sturdy. Yeah, the leather is very sturdy, unlike lambskin. Like I said, I've owned a mini square in lambskin, but you know that bag is just really delicate. But this one looks fine. Let me smell this for a little bit. This smells like Chanel, but I don't know. I really need to get this checked ASAP. So yeah, thanks for watching my unboxing. So it's a very mini unboxing video for today. If you have any questions about classic flaps or mini rectangular or mini square, you can just like pop your comments below and I will answer you as long as I can see them. Okay, thank you for watching my video for today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. And guys, I also found the original price. So this one was bought in Australia. So this one, $6,250 includes GST. So the original price is $6,250. Wow. So I paid $7,050 Australian, like I said before, just a few $100 higher. But I think it's fair enough because this kind of iridescent, this vibe, this kind of bag, it's not easy to find. So, and I really, really, really love this color. Actually, I'm wearing this right now. So yeah, so I would definitely, to be honest, I would definitely be appreciating this bag. And yeah, the price is not like batshit crazy, so it's acceptable because I saw higher price on other websites like 7,680, something like that in Australian dollars. So yeah, yeah, in general, I'm happy with this. Okay, so this is the original price back in 2021, in December 2021. Yeah, this one is just for reference.